Welcome to Lakshmi Ganpati Educational Hub. In this video, I am going to conduct a quiz, namely personality identification round. In this round, just simply I'll display you a picture with two faces. You need to identify each face individually. So for that, I'll give two chances. First chance, so within 20 seconds, you need to identify the faces of each individual person. If you're not able to identify within 20 seconds, I'll give another chance with 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you need to identify. After that, I'll disclose you answer whether you are correct or wrong. So after this, I'll play a voice of a eminent personality. So on the basis of that voice, of listening that voice, you need to identify the personality, so voice which it belongs to. So let's enter into the game. So here the first picture I'm going to display you. Okay, so if you identify faces of two personalities in this picture, that is well and good. If you are not able to identify the faces of two personalities, then I'll give another chance. So that is with 10 seconds. Already I told to you. Just let's move on to next. So chance. Okay, I hope so. You identify, some people identify the faces of these two personalities. So if you are not identified, I'm going to disclose you answer. Just look at the answer. So first face is Deepika Padukone. Next face is Rakul Pratik Singh. So I hope you identify these two personalities in a single picture. Let's move on to next picture. Yes, this picture is somewhat difficult to identify the faces. So no problem at all. Another chance is there. So if you identify, already I said that it is well and good. So otherwise, move on to next chance. Okay, I hope you enjoyed with this picture. So no problem at all. Just move on to the next. So answers. So first one is MS Dhoni. Second one is Junior NTR. Junior NTR. Next, move on to next picture. It is somewhat difficult, and I hope. Yes. Remaining 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. Yeah, time up. So move on to next chance. If you identify, it's fine, and otherwise there is another chance with 10 seconds. Just move on to next one. Yes. Okay, time up. Let's check answers whether you identified right personality or not. Oh, this is Samantha and Tamanna. If you look at this picture, so here Samantha and Tamanna, two beautiful figures. So in cine industry. Next. Yeah, your time starts now. 7, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it is somewhat difficult to identify the personality. I mean, personalities, two personalities in a single picture. So I also confused. Just simply move on to next chance. Yeah, it is easy to identify now. Yes, time up. I hope you identified these two personalities in a single picture. Simply move on to answer none other than Vijay Devarkonda and Darling Prabhas. Yes, I hope you enjoyed with this round. So after this, just simply I'll play audio. So I mean I'll play a voice of an eminent personality, great personalities. Either my personality may from so sports background, cine industry background, political background, whatever it may be. So listen carefully and identify the voice belongs to which person within a given time. So here also the timer is going to be run and listen carefully.
Where I already finished my challenge, where I have to, I wanted to challenge, but then I didn't have any. So I was a bit upset because, my challenges already got over where I could challenge. But I think I still had hope and I played confidently.
Yes, your time starts now. Yeah.
There I already finished my challenge where I have to, I wanted to challenge, but then I didn't have any.
PV Sindhu.
So I was a bit upset because, my challenges already got over where I could challenge. But I think I still had hope and I played confidently.
Great shuttle, PV Sindhu. So next, voice.
Well, as I said, I mean, firstly, I've excluded myself from being nominated.
Listen
in the
carefully.
Awards, because this is about recognizing the other people that do well for our country and bring such glory to the nation.
Yeah, your time starts. Still more 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Time up. Could you able to identify the voice belongs to which eminent personality? Yeah. This voice belongs to none other than Virat Kohli. None other than Virat Kohli. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, just simply just subscribe my channel and just give me a like and forward to your friend, share to your
well, as I said, I mean,
listen the voice of
firstly,
Virat Kohli.
I've excluded myself from being nominated in the awards because this is about recognizing the other people that do well for our country and bring such glory to the nation.
Yeah, so personal identification round finished. And if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, just simply give me a like and subscribe my channel. So I'll make so many videos like this to entertain you. So thank you one and all.